here with me and my channel. As uber freezing, well, you can't see, but you can see I'm wearing so many clothes. Again, I really must say I don't dig winter at all. I don't dig putting on so many layers of clothes. I'm really like a very hippie kind of person where I dig putting my bare feet on the ground all day long, but I don't dig my feet on a cold ground. So yeah, it's very interesting. But anyways, guys, let's get to it today. Welcome to the All Things Health and More Show. My name is Kiara Ducasse, and I'll be your entertainment for this short moment in time. So, guys, not much action happening in the markets, really. So it's really just a little bit of an update video. I'd like to share some stuff with you. Thank you to all my 56 subscribers for being here with me on this video. I do greatly appreciate it, and certainly feeling absolutely powerful and blessed with you all here. So if you're watching this video and you haven't yet come to subscribe to my channel, please do so in the meantime. We are here to build your health and your wealth. So any likes, any shares, any subscriptions would be absolutely welcome, and certainly with open arms, that's for sure. So you can see here, yesterday I put this video, Bitcoin is the king, and then the previous day, failed rally, now what? So I'm going to go and talk about these moments, because this is the most important video that you need to watch, and that is because this is life-changing moments for us all. So there's a lot of stuff to come. There's been a lot of noise, but I'm not going to go through any of that noise today from a visual perspective, but I will talk about some of it so that you guys are in the same loop. Loopity-loop. Okay, so anyways, so I just wanted to show you, this is my daily capsule dose. So these are natural vitamins and minerals, so moringa powder, spirulina, kelp, our brain boost, tone and glow, belly burn, OptiMSM, and just because I've got a little bit of like a sinus thing, I got something for that, for the sinus in there as well, and I pump that every day pretty much with my delicious tonic. My tonic looks a little different today. Cheers to you guys, and absolutely phenomenal every single day in every single wonderful way. So with that being said, let's get straight to the content, guys. Yeah, no more wasting time. So Bitcoin, as you can see here, it broke slightly and closed the candle slightly above, but look at the volume there. The volume is weak. The stochastic is pulling up a little bit here, and then the RSI is all the way down at the bottom. So my personal view is we still got some downside to have. And if we get rejected on today's candle, guys, I can tell you something, that Saturday and Sunday are probably going to be down days for us. So those are very, very important moments for us to just keep an eye out on. And yeah, I'll just continue to share this beautiful energy with you. So yes, it made a bottom, but really, to be very honest, at the end of the day, that might be a turning candle. If that's a turning candle on this weekly, guys, then we've got some good news. Then we'll definitely make a bit of a rally from here. And like I said, there's much resistance above head all the way up to our 26 to 28K level. So I would like to see it get up there, but there's a lot of resistance ahead. This week has got a little bit of buy volume, which is great. So there's a lot of signals saying, but we need to close the week at the very, very least like this. If we close in the red, guys, we are definitely coming back down. If we close as a doji candle, that's going to be wonderful, because that will say that we've finished a phase, and then we should start to turn that phase. So we're also coming up to the end of the month, and I'd like to share with you where we're at on the month, because the month looks very scary. Now, as we all know, when we close below the ribbon in the monthly candle, then that is a continuation pattern of downwards momentum. Now, this is dangerous as heck right now. So at the very, very minimum, it needs to get above my red line here, my top red line, which is a 24,000, call it 25,000. We need to be at 25,000 and close this week above the 25,000 in order for us to confirm, this monthly candle above 25,000 in order for us to confirm that we won't be coming back down. But like I said to you, check here, we're finding some support, boom, on the previous all-time high, which is what Bitcoin likes to do. But because the cycles have changed quite a bit, and it seems even in the equities market that stocks aren't the same. You can see here the blue line has crossed again. We're still pulling low on this blue line. We're still pulling down here on this blue line. So we've got some time. I mean, really look at the time frame from here. So from July 21 to July now. It's been a year since a year ago we were here, and now we're here. So we're down about 30% odd on the year for Bitcoin, 28% odd, which is okay. We haven't finished this year yet, so just hold your horses, but I'm just talking about from time frame to time frame. And basically, when this starts to turn back up, guys, we are going to see the most intense, insane, awesome rally. And that's why I'd like to see this candle pull back up and definitely, I'd say, close at the 25 to 26,000 level at the very least. Okay, that's quite a way up from it, from where it's at right now. That's a $6,000 pump, and that would honestly, that's about a 40% move for Bitcoin right now. With all the current circumstances and conditions, that doesn't seem very, very likely at all, until the printers start printing more and more money yet again. So there's a lot of stuff going on in the markets, in the space from that perspective. And obviously we have to just keep a very, very close eye out on this, because if we close above the ribbon, we'll be good. But if we close below the ribbon, this isn't going to be good. And it can pull down here, and it can start to tangle downwards or pull downwards the ribbon. But then it could bounce off of this level and push back up, and then it would untangle the ribbon. So that's really not a problem. So that's absolutely amazing. Let's go down right to the 4-hour time frame. 4 hour and 1 hour are the smallest time frames I really look at, because obviously those are the trading time frames. 4 hour, again, we're trying to break above my white line. We're trying in the ribbon. We're in a little bit of a consolidation. We've got a little head and shoulders pattern that has formed here already, like we've been bringing up. But does it have enough energy and momentum to get it to where it needs to be? And I'm going to show you that this is the breakout level. So if we can't get ourselves out of this level, and actually that would go up to there, it would take us up to the 27k, and it would put us right back in there, which is great. Okay, above this, give us that signal. So if we can do that, that'll be great. But if we can't do that, then I'm sorry, we will be coming there further down. So yeah, we're obviously just waiting to see what happens in the space. The same is going on with Ethereum, although Ethereum had quite a little bit more of a buy volume here than Bitcoin. So yeah, we're pretty cool. So the candle here on the dollar says that we've basically met a resistance level, and there might be another fall down here, a little push down, which means that we're in a really sharp triangle pattern here, which, if I have to say to you, almost is starting to look a bit more like a bull flag. Okay, if I actually let's just erase this, boom, and then let's use this, because if I now bring this to this level and I give you another one, basically from there to there, it's a shortish pole, okay, but not really, because if I really wanted to, I could start the pole from here, and that would be the flagpole. Okay, although I'm going to be very modest. I'm going to be very modest, and I'm going to start the flagpole from here. Okay, because that's where it really moved. So if I take that flagpole and I do a bit of a breakout scenario from here, okay, and we go up, like I've said to you before, 108 is the mark. So let's see where we go from there. But stocks pushing up slightly. They found some support. Stocks have got a somewhat a little shoulder, a little head, and another shoulder, but this shoulder's a little far too low. So what I would say is that this would probably end up being the one shoulder. This could be the head. And if we pull back up enough and find some support here again, that could be the shoulder. And then the same pattern would be forming on equities. Now, are we going to do that? I'm not sure, and neither are you, and neither is this market actually right now. So we just have to take our steps absolutely cautiously and progress forward gently. So I'm going to refresh that page so I can go and see there for you what is going on at the moment. But right now, guys, we're really excited, and long term is what we're doing for Bitcoin, and accumulation points are brilliant. So keep accumulating and stay accumulating, because that's where you need to be, is just accumulating. So Celsius, of course, is in still quite a bit of trouble. They really are trying. I can see that. A lot of us have, it's not lost yet, but it seems like it could be heading a lot more towards that way. The miners are failing. We know that. Bitcoin buy Bitcoin or start mining. Hashworks CEO points to attractive investment yield in BTC mining. So that's interesting. Breaking Harmony Horizon bridge hacked for 100 million. So there's another hack in the crypto space. Voyager Digital cuts withdrawal amount as 3AC contagion ripples through DeFi and CeFi. Decentralized finance, centralized finance. And basically, traders braced for more bad news after headlines revealed that Voyager Digital had lent $655 million to Three Arrows Capitals, another crypto market sell-off on the way. Yes, this is what I've been saying to you. And foolish to deny Bitcoin price can go under 10K analysis. Investors need a plan to cater for every eventuality, as analysis still focused on 16K as the downside target. A lot of people are saying that BTC will reach that 10K target. I am certainly seeing that, and I still believe it. And that 10K target is all the way down at my purple box, at the bottom of my purple box. And that'll be the most important support level. So guys, we haven't finished the downside. And like I've said to you before, that from where we are right here to down there is still a 50% drawdown. So be very careful with your money, and make sure that your money is invested right. And dollar cost average into the position on the way down, because if you're hodling, that's your best opportunity to accumulate more. But if you want to sell out here and it rallies, that could be a problem for you, of course, because this would have been the bottom then. But if we sell out and it drops here and we buy it back here, we 50% up on our investment. So those are just some trading tips for you guys, and I wish you guys a very happy, healthy, strong, and beautiful day ahead. Please remember to come over and like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and like this video and share it as far and wide as you possibly could. Much love and beautiful blessings to you, and have a wonderful day ahead. Lots of love to you.